What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to another POV drive. As you guys can see, we have the world's loudest Audi R8 right here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do a crazy POV drive. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe on the video if you guys want more POV drives. Anyways, we need to get a little bit of gas. We're gonna be rage baiting you guys. So if you guys can guess how much does it cost to fill up this whole entire car with gas, I'll give you a ride in the Audi R8. Okay, so no car wash, please. No car wash. Okay, no, I do not want that either. No, let's go, hurry. All right, anyways, tap this. Boop. If you guys can guess how much it costs to fill this car up, I'll give you guys a free ride in the Audi R8. Let's go. Let's see, how much will it cost? Let's go. Boom, and automatic mode activated. Look at that, we got the carbon fiber wing right here, V10. Let's go. How much will it cost? Let's see. $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15. Whoa, so if you guess a grand total of $16.08, you get a free ride in the Audi R8. Boom, I just rage baited you guys. You thought I was gonna fill up the whole entire car? Nope. So for everybody who guessed $120, you're wrong. The answer is $16.08. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Had to throw you guys off. Anyways, let's start the car up. Woo! What the fuck? Bro, why is he flashing me, bro? What is his issue, bro? Like, what? Come on. Anyways, though, bro, that's why I love recording content, bro. I always get crazy stuff like that. As you guys see, though, beautiful car. Sounds absolutely insane. The cops are hating because guess what? They can't afford it. They can't afford it. Anyways, though, let's get this POV drive going. We're gonna wait for the police officers to like go ahead and leave so I can leave. We're gonna play the waiting game. If I have to play the waiting game, I'll play the waiting game. Let's go. Da na 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 da na 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 da 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 done done. Yeah 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 yeah. All right, come on, let's go, officer. Come on, leave, buddy. Let's go. This car is super nice though. All right, he's gone. Where is he going? Is he making a left? He's going straight. Where is he going? I gotta map out where he's going. All right, they're going straight. They're gone. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Freaking stupid police, bro. They have nothing better to do but just be bored all day and just mess with people. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go before they freaking come back. Oh, oi, oi, oi. Copyright. Right. Ooh. On, safety first. Hopefully the angle's good. Put it down a little bit more. We're gonna keep it calm on the streets just because there's always cops like hiding in these corners, so I was gonna keep it calm for right now. But I gotta turn it down, it's copyright. Let's go ahead and get out the area. Not too high. I think it should be good. I think we're good. You guys let me know. Do you guys like the R8 POV drives better, or do you guys like the Hellcat POV drives more? Which one? Let me know. Because I definitely do like switching between the Hellcat and the Audi R8 POV drives. Just to give you guys like something different to watch, you know? You don't have to always watch the Hellcat POV drives. Yeah, just go a little bit slower, please, bro. I would really appreciate that if you go a little bit slower. That would be very much appreciated. Alright, let's put this thing in freaking dynamic mode. So everybody wants to go really slow today. Interesting. You just really want to go slow, huh? Look how good this corners. Corners amazingly. Make sure we're good. you POV drive, bro? Okay, nice one. What are you doing? You trying to just run the light? What are you doing? Log in, gang. What was that all about? What is that all about? What are you doing, brother? Brother, what are you doing, brother? But yeah, if you guys want to know what I do for a living, I have a clothing brand which is called Grail Locker. I have been running that for the past 4 years now. First link in bio to go shop. Also, make sure you guys go follow all my social media accounts, Cali the Kid on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Also, I stream on Kick as well, so make sure you go follow that, you know? Go tap in, tap in. Go support your boy. Screw. Look at that R8 in the reflection right there. Oh yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Looks very Gucci. Looks good. I look left, I look right. I look right, I look right, and I look left. Oh yeah. I wonder how you do launch control on this car. Fucking come on, 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 come on. Maybach music. Dynamic mode. So if you don't know what dynamic mode means, it's basically like the sport mode essentially. You can already hear the burbles. It sounds crazy. The burbles on this car are absolutely insane. You guys are not ready for it. I'm telling you guys, you are not ready for it. Wait like 1 more minute. Once I hop on this highway, I'm gonna show you guys how loud these burbles get. Actually, there's a tunnel coming up, actually. Watch this. I'm just scared we're gonna burble it and the cop's gonna be like right there. Because cops do not like this car at all. Listen, that's nothing. That's nothing. That's nothing at all. We're about to get on the highway. Give it a second. Oh my gosh, what is this road made out of? Cobblestone? This car handles amazing, bro. Takes the corners like a champ. Super lightweight, handles really good. And it's rear wheel drive too. Come on. Come on. The R8 wants to go. The R8 trying to go. Oh my gosh. Gotta make sure that's not a cop, bro. Holy. Yeah, we're good, we're good. This is a Challenger. That could have been bad. Well, let's let bro pass. Yeah, we're good. thought that was a cop, bro. Get away from me. Oh, heck no. I dead thought that was a cop, bro. I was like, oh, we're cooked, bro. These pops are way too loud. Why is the Uber driver cutting up? What the heck? What is going on right now? Ready? Ready, guys? Wait for the bridge. That sounds absolutely insane. You guys let me know, how does this car sound on a scale of 1 through 10? How crazy does this car sound? Me personally, I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10, guys. This car sounds absolutely crazy, bro. You can hear it from like 10 miles away, bro. The tune, I call it the log bar tune because it sounds boom, 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 boom. It sounds crazy. Right now, I'm currently headed to the gym because I'm gonna go hit a nighttime workout and we're just gonna rip the R8 there. So I'm just bringing you guys along for the journey. Hold on. Crazy, dude. Oh my. Just gonna put the windows back up right now. All right, bye guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.